SongBook. In this chapter, I'll give a brief overview of SongBook, including some of the great new features added to the PA4X. For more detailed information, there's an extensive video on Korg.com dedicated to SongBook, as well as the free SongBook editor for PC, also available from Korg.com. We recommend that you watch that video to see the full capabilities of SongBook. SongBook is an extremely powerful feature of your PA4X. It's a programmable musical database. Press SongBook. Basically, you have a list of song titles called song entries. When you select a song entry, it automatically brings up a style, a standard MIDI file, a karaoke MIDI file, or an MP3 for you to use to perform that song. The columns are currently displaying name, artist, and genre. Here in Preferences, I can choose from different information to be displayed. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and select the song title, A Whiter Shade. The song title automatically takes me to Style Play Mode. The appropriate style has been called up to perform that song with the best choice of intro and variation. Press Start. As well, 4 suitable keyboard sets, tempo, etc. are also called up. Let's create our own song entry using a style. Press Exit to go to the main Style Play Mode page, and select a style. We can set the style up exactly how we want it to appear later. For example, let's change the tempo a bit. Now go back to SongBook and go to the Book Edit 1 page. Touch New Song. This is automatically selected to include the 4 keyboard sets already saved with the style. Book Edit 2 page is where you can input information like the genre of the song, the artist, even the key of the song. Book Edit 3 page has more parameters that can be saved with the song entry, for example the status of the synchro start. Once you have everything set, touch Right. Touch the T, and we'll name the new entry My Song. Touch OK to confirm the text, then OK, then Yes to write it to the songbook. Go to the book page and there's our song title. We changed the tempo of the style before saving it to SongBook, but you can make changes to the style in several different ways to suit a wide variety of songs. For example, choosing different sounds for the style tracks, make edits to any of the sounds used in the style, edit the effects, and much more. And it can all be done without affecting the original style or having to duplicate it in order to make the necessary changes. You can edit and add things to your SongBook entry later on as well. For example, let's add a different keyboard set, record a chord sequence, and set up the style element configuration for the entry we just made. Press Exit. Choose a keyboard set. Let's record a chord sequence. And let's have it come up with Variation 2 and Intro 3 as the introduction. Always select the variation you want first, then the intro you want. Go to the Book Edit 1 page and select the right current style to save the chord sequence and the style element configuration. Select this keyboard set Right Current box and choose to save it to keyboard set 1. Save it. Now go to the book page and select the song entry we just created. It's set as we want it, Intro 3 to Variation 2. Keyboard set 1 is just as we wanted. The chord sequence is saved. In fact, you can have a different chord sequence saved to each song entry. Very useful. There's a fast way to add song entries to the songbook. Select the style, standard MIDI file, karaoke MIDI file, or MP3 you want to add. I'll add this MIDI file from my USB. Then hold down the SongBook button until this right screen appears. It's already brought in the name of the MIDI file, but you can change it if you want. Touch OK, then Yes to confirm. Done. Go back to SongBook. Typically, performers prepare set lists for a show, a list of songs they will play. You can prepare several custom set lists using SongBook. Go to the Set List page. Here you can select which list you want. As you can see, Korg has included a few already. Set lists can be used in Tile View or in List View. In Tile View, songs are shown as pages of tiles and assigned to the set list buttons on the control panel. From the Page menu, select Preferences and choose List View. In List View, all songs are shown in a plain list. Set it back to Tile View. By the way, pressing this Set List button gives you direct access to the songs in the set list using these lit buttons. Open the Page menu and check Enable List Edit. The edit commands are now available. You can either edit an existing list or create a new one. Let's create a new one by touching New List. Go to the Book page, touch a song entry, touch Add to List. Go to the Set List page and there's the song. Let's go back to the Book page and add another 2 songs. Back to Set List. We can move the songs around by selecting a title and touching the Move Up and Down arrows. Once the list is ready, touch Right, name it, and save the list. Now open the Page menu and uncheck Enable List Edit. Press Exit to leave SongBook.